Hello everyone, welcome to daily.net tips, and today we have one more tip which is actually flashing on our home page, that is refresh browsers directly from Visual Studio 2013. So you can see here we have this nice tip which is actually now flashing on our home page. So in this video we'll discuss about what exactly is this refreshing browsers directly from Visual Studio and what is this new feature called as browser link in 2013. A lot of times developers work with multiple browsers using Visual Studio, and when we make code changes we would like to refresh or reload all the browsers in one go. In Visual Studio 2013 they have introduced this nice, cool and great feature called as enable browser link. So rather than going and refreshing individual browsers, you can just hit the link from Visual Studio and refresh all the browsers in one go. So let me just go ahead and demonstrate this enable browser link feature here. So you can see here I have a very simple page here called as webform1.aspx. So what I'll do is let me run this webform1.aspx in Internet Explorer and as well as in Google Chrome. So let me do a Control F5 here. So you can see there my Internet Explorer is running and it is displaying this page here, webform1.aspx. Currently in webform1.aspx I have just written this small text here, some code, and it is running inside Internet Explorer. Now let me again go here and let me run this page in Google Chrome as well. So I'm going to do a Control F5 here. Let me run this in Google Chrome as well. So you can now see that my site is also running inside Google Chrome, right? So my webform1.aspx is running inside Google Chrome browser as well as it is running inside Internet Explorer. Now let's say you go and make some changes on this ASPX page here, and you want to go and reload both of these browsers in one go. So normally what developers do, they write the code here and then they hit this reload or the refresh button, right? But by using refresh linked browsers, you don't need to do it. So what you can do here is something like this. So you can make some code changes here now. So let's say you have made code changes here, and now rather than going and refreshing all the browsers one by one, you can hit this thing here called as refresh linked browsers. So if I click on this refresh linked browsers, you will see that if I go to my Internet Explorer, it has been refreshed with the new changes, and you can see even my Google Chrome browser has been refreshed with these changes over here. So by using the refresh linked browser, you don't have to go to individual browsers. You can just go and click on that and it will go and refresh all the browsers which have been opened from Visual Studio. Remember that the pages have to be opened from Visual Studio. If you have just opened the browser standalone, right, then the refresh link browser will not be able to connect to it. Also, I would like to highlight one more point here. Refresh link browsers actually work only with ASPX pages, or with dynamic pages, I'll say rather. It does not work with HTML pages. So in case you have HTML pages, refresh link browser will not reload the browser. And there is one more cool feature here which is very much connected to refresh link browser, that is a browser link dashboard. And it gives you more fine control on how to use refresh link browser. So if you click on this browser link dashboard here, it actually tells you that how many browser instances have been opened from Visual Studio. So you can see here currently I have opened two instances, one which is running inside Chrome, which is webform1.aspx, and the other one which is Internet Explorer, which is again running webform1.aspx. And if I wish, I can go and refresh these individual instances individually. If you really think what we are doing here is good, nice, and it is helpful for everyone, please go ahead and share this video on your Facebook page, or you can share this video on your Twitter account. So you can also go to our site here, daily.net tips, and you can see that we have a nice YouTube channel which is here. So you can keep visiting this YouTube channel, and we are trying to upload tips every week here, and hope that you will benefit from the same. Thank you so much.